This for me is a one-off because we get lots of Defenders, older ones that are taken. I don't retail, we trade them on. This has just arrived, so it's a 2013 Defender 90, 2.2 diesel XS model in Firenze Red. But the key thing about this car, one's the ownership, it's one owner from new. Secondly, it's got unbelievable extensive all Land Rover service history. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 onwards. Beautiful Land Rover service history. It's done 44,000 miles. It's got the air intake on the side, the snorkel, light surrounds. It's just a beautiful little Defender 90, priced to sell. But it's the key things with this car is the ownership and the service history. 4 seats, all with seat belts, side steps, mud flaps, contrasting black roof. It's just a cool little Defender 90. And the cars hasn't been photographed or advertised fully on the web yet, and we've had so much interest, people getting in touch. You've got off-road tyres, you've got the little step up, and then you have, in the back, the extra 2 seats there with the seat belts, with the headrests. Proper Land Rover genuine ones as well. Sometimes people buy them as a 2-seater, and then they'll add the seats afterwards. You've got the side windows and the sections in the top of the roof there as well. But it's an XS model as well, so we've got things like heated seats, air conditioning, half leather. So it's a real cracking example. And when they're like this, the ownership and the mileage, they hold the value as well. They do hold the value. Other side. Just show you the miles, press that. 44,970 miles. Look at the roof lining. That gives you an indication about the condition. You've got the 6-speed gearbox as well. So there we have, I'll just show you. So we've got wipers, front and rear screens, heated seats, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got the other different options for off-road there as well. And it is an absolute beauty. Look at the condition of the seats there in the back. First come, first served with this example. It's going to go live. We'll sell it within the hour. It's an unbelievable example. Give me a call, get it reserved. Thank you for watching.